When I say Russian roulette, the thing that comes to my mind is the spinning thing in the casino. But actually it's a game where a revolver is loaded with one bullet and the bullet chamber is actually spun once and a shot is fired and everything is left to chance. Now suppose you have a revolver that has two bullets loaded consecutively. A shot is fired and it's blank. Now comes the important question. Should you spin the bullet chamber again or not to increase the chances of firing the next bullet? When I say the word chance is actually connected to a mathematical quantity called probability. Now let's say you roll a dice. The probability of getting a 4 is 1 out of 6. So we define probability in a very simple way, that is favorable outcome over the total outcome. Now if you spin the bullet chamber, everything resets and the chances of firing one bullet is 2 out of 6, which is 1 by 3 or 33% chance of firing a bullet. Now comes the interesting part. Let's say you do not spin the bullet chamber. There is something that you already know which makes this event biased. The information is that the first shot was blank and that changes the probability of things. Now to get the first shot empty or blank, we have 4 chambers. And it could have been like any of the 4 chambers that you see. And if you look carefully, there is just one chamber for which the next shot that's going to get fired contains a bullet. So the probability is actually 1 out of 4. Therefore, the chances are 25%. So if you shuffle the bullet chamber, it's a 33% chance. And if you don't shuffle it, it's a 25% chance of firing a bullet. So that gives you the answer whether you should shuffle or not to increase the chances of firing a bullet next. Now thank you so much for watching. Now here are some clickety stuffs that you might be interested in watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.